Replace the pre-made spice powders with these 10 plus healing Indian spices. Remember, kitchen is your pharmacy and what you eat determines your health. Coarsely powder these spices and use it in seasoning or tadka, or simply mix them into your cooked dishes to infuse your meals with powerful healing benefits. Fenugreek seeds, also known as methi seeds, helps regulate blood sugar levels and reduce inflammation. Use very little as it can make your dish very bitter. You can use it directly or grind it to a powder and add it in Indian dishes that are sour. Soaking it overnight in water and consuming it along with water in the morning helps reduce blood sugar levels. Black pepper, nicknamed as black gold and the king of spices, is the most important and widely consumed spice in the world. Black pepper is native to the Malabar coast of India. It has been used in many traditional medicines. Black pepper contains piperine, which enhances nutrient absorption, reduces inflammation, improves immunity, and supports respiratory health. Fennel seeds, chew a few after meals or add them to your cooking. Fennel soothes digestion, reduces bloating, and eases menstrual discomfort. It's also a natural breath freshener. Ajwain seeds, a go-to spice for gas, indigestion, and even cold symptoms. Ajwain has strong antimicrobial properties and is often added to Indian flatbreads and snacks. Turmeric powder is rich in curcumin, and it is the golden star of Indian cooking. Turmeric fights inflammation, boosts immunity, supports liver detox, and enhances brain and heart health. Using it along with black pepper can help increase nutrient absorption. Thipili, called long pepper in English, has primary effect on stomach, increases digestion, and regulates the overall digestive system. Removes body toxins, avoid accumulation of fat, and reduces cholesterol. It has a pungent and slightly bitter taste with hints of sweetness, making it a versatile ingredient in cooking. Thipili is often used in South Indian recipes like rasam, spice blends, pickles, and traditional Indian dishes to add depth and complexity to the flavor profile. Dry ginger, called sukku in Tamil, helps relieve joint pain, improves appetite, and acts as a powerful remedy for cold and cough. Cloves are powerful antiseptics, especially good for dental pain and digestion. They're loaded with antioxidants and are often used in biryanis, chai, and masala blends. Curry leaves, rich in vitamins A, B, C, and E. Curry leaves support digestion, help regulate cholesterol, and have antibacterial properties. Just saute them in a little oil to release their aroma and power. Cumin seeds support digestion, enhances enzyme activity, and has antimicrobial properties that promote gut and liver health. Kali jeera or black cumin has a milder flavor than regular cumin seeds. It supports digestion, immunity, and helps control blood sugar. Mustard seeds stimulate digestion and have natural antibacterial properties. They're commonly used in tadka and pickles and offer anti-inflammatory support too. Ginger is a natural anti-inflammatory and antioxidant. Ginger soothes nausea, supports digestion, and boosts immunity. Always peel and discard the outer skin of ginger before using it. Garlic. Garlic is a natural antibiotic with allicin that supports heart health, boosts immunity, lowers cholesterol, and helps fight infections. Smash the garlic and wait for 10 minutes before using it to get the maximum benefits. Shallots or small onions are rich in antioxidants and sulfur compounds that support cardiovascular health, reduce inflammation, and help regulate blood sugar levels. Ceylon cinnamon. This is not an Indian spice but has excellent health benefits when used in moderation. It is a type of cinnamon that comes from the bark of an evergreen tree. Sri Lanka provides about 80% of the world's supply. With potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects, Ceylon cinnamon helps regulate blood sugar, supports heart health, and reduce cholesterol, and goes well with Indian dishes. You can find these spices at any Indian grocery store. Remember, your kitchen is your first pharmacy. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe for more tips.